Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Studying with Seema Saini. I am Seema Saini. I hope you all are good.
Today we will discuss article writing for class 11th and 12th.
So stay with me till then, let's start.
Question 1. You went to a friend's house to attend his birthday party. Give an account of the party in 100 to 150 words. This is most important question. First of all, write heading like this, a birthday party. Then write content. My friend Anil gave a party on his birthday. He invited all his friends to this party. The party was held at his house. Anil had decorated his room tastefully. His parents looked very happy. The birthday cake was placed on a table. All of us stood round the table. Anil cut the cake with a knife. All of us chanted 3 times, "Happy birthday to you." We were served the cake pieces, some other sweets and cold drinks. After the eating was over, there was singing and dancing. Mohan entertained us with some popular film songs. Kapil sang an English song and 2 boys danced to its tune. We enjoyed to our heart's content. There was a photographer who caught us in many poses. At about 8 p.m., we took leave of Anil and came back. Question 2. Your school celebrated its annual day on the 10th of this month. Write a description of the event in not more than 150 words. This is most important question. First of all, write heading like this, annual day celebrations. Then write content. The annual day of our school was celebrated on the 10th of this month. The education minister presided over the function. The principal spoke a few words to welcome the minister and other guests. Then he read out the annual report of the school. He gave an account of the progress made by the school during the preceding year. After this, he requested the president to give away the prizes. The president stood up to give away the prizes. He shook hands with the prize winners. After giving away the prizes, the president made a short but impressive speech. He congratulated the prize winners. He advised the students to work hard. He laid special stress on the value of discipline and good character. He spoke very highly of the school. He congratulated the principal and the staff on their excellent work. Tea was served to the guests and prize winners. Question 3. Write an article for a newspaper on the value of games in 100 to 150 words. This is most important question. First of all, write heading like value of games. Then write content like games are a very necessary part of life. They keep a man healthy. They give entertainment to our weary minds. They help in keeping the machine of life in good order. The value of games has now come to be recognized. They are considered essential for the all-round development of the child. They have become a part and parcel of education in our school and colleges. Games give us not only physical exercise but mental training also. They train both our body and mind. Physically, we become healthy. Mentally, we become disciplined. Games teach us discipline and build our character. Games give us pluck and courage. They make us bold and confident. They enable us to defend ourselves. They teach us to fight with a team spirit. Games develop the quality of leadership. The players have full confidence in their captain. They obey him and play the game under his lead. In short, games are as important as the study of any other subject. Then write article by, then write name which is mentioned in the question. If not mentioned, then you can write out of your mind. Question 4. Write an article for a newspaper on the value of discipline. Write your article in 100 to 150 words. This is important question. First of all, write heading like the value of discipline. Then write content like discipline is necessary in all walks of life. Any house without discipline will surely go to the dogs. A teacher can't teach if his students don't keep discipline in the class. The head of a family won't be able to run his family if its members don't maintain discipline. The members of an assembly must observe discipline if they are to do any good job. No office can function without discipline. Even in a playground, the players have to obey the rules of the game. They have to play under discipline. In fact, discipline is necessary in every field of society. Otherwise, there is bound to be confusion, disorder, and chaos. No work or progress is possible without discipline. It is discipline which enables a nation to march on the way to progress. It must be kept in mind that discipline can't be enforced by law alone. It is training of the mind. It has to come from within. Then write article by, then write name. Next question, question number 5. Express your views on environmental pollution in the form of an article to be published in a newspaper. Write your article in 100 to 150 words. This is most important question. So first of all, write heading like this, like environmental pollution. Then write content. The development of science and technology has made our lives very comfortable, but it has also resulted in a fearful population explosion. As a result, our cities have become overcrowded and their atmosphere has become polluted. The growth of big industries has led to terrible pollution of air, earth, and water. Trees and forests, which can maintain the environmental balance, have been destroyed to meet the increasing needs of man. Wildlife is also fast dying out because of deforestation, and thus the ecological balance has been disturbed beyond measures. If this state of affairs is allowed to continue, very soon no life would be left on the planet. The only solution lies in environmental protection through nature conservation. Article 6. First of all, write heading like this, population explosion, or you can write the rapid increase of population. Then write content like this, the population of India is increasing at a very fast rate. We can call it population explosion. At present, the population of a country is about 125 crore. Control over diseases is one of the causes of this fast increase. Medical science has made a great progress. It is good that the death rate has decreased, but we should check the birth rate also. We must take steps to control the fast growth of our population. People should be educated about the need of family planning. They should be educated about the advantages of small families. The most important task before the nation is to check the increase of population. It is not at all difficult to restrict the size of one's family. It merely requires a bit of confidence and willpower. One must come out of the shell of worn-out ideas and customs. Medical science has come to the help of man in planning his family. Article 7, first of all write heading like this, the evil of dowry system. Then write content like this, the dowry system is a stigma on our society. It is an insult to women. It is a matter of shame for men. The greed of dowry has taken the lives of many innocent girls. They are tortured physically as well as mentally. Many a time they are burnt alive. Though we have a law which disallows the giving and taking of dowry, yet this evil is spreading day by day. We can't end it merely by shouting slogans and holding demonstrations. Women will have to become bold. They should be educated so that they can become economically self-dependent. They should refuse to marry dowry seekers. They should stand up boldly against the greedy in-laws who pester them for money and valuables after their marriage. Men should also try to wash off this dirty stigma. They should take a vow not to demand or accept any dowry at the time of their marriage. It is only by exercising a strong willpower that this evil can be ended. Article 8, disadvantages of watching TV. Then content like this, television is one of the biggest blessings of modern science. It is a source of information, education as well as entertainment. But like every blessing, it has another side also. A blessing can easily turn into a bane. If it is not used for the purpose it is really meant for. The too much of anything is bad. The too much watching of TV has many disadvantages. It can harm both our mind and body. It can have a very bad effect on our eyes. The TV has been called an idiot box. It can turn us into idiots. It can kill our capacity to think independently. As long as one remains glued to the TV, the mind remains absolutely inactive. Thus, too much watching of TV can kill the mental growth of a person. He becomes an intellectual dwarf. The TV is harmful for students particularly. They gain almost nothing from it, but lose a lot in terms of their studies. The time they should devote to their studies is wasted on watching TV. Thus, it is in their own interest to keep away from this idiot box as much as they can. It should be left for the idlers only.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Keep watching, देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए. Till then, bye. Take care.